Isaac Newton has said, people fear death the most, and on number two is public speaking.
Everybody fears the stage for the first time. The point is, the number of times you repeat it, you conquer the fear
Hmm.
eventually in the process.
Usain Bolt, he said, to be able to run with the way I run for 8 minutes, I practiced for 20 years. Consistency is the key to everything.
I feel like it's okay to fail. Like, वो fear चला गया. Learning something new, which is difficult for me, but also exciting for
Hmm.
me. It's called 60-40 rule.
Hmm.
It should be 60% difficult for you and
Yeah.
40% easy.
Yeah. मतलब I believe failures are मतलब underrated. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है. मतलब they should be a part and parcel of everyone's journey.
मैं एक controversial line बोलूंगा यहाँ पे कि
Oh.
I never wanna achieve the peak of my life. ठीक है, I'll tell you why. सो अगर आप एक ऐसे बंदे हो जिसको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में इंटरेस्ट है बट ये नहीं पता कि मैं स्टार्ट कैसे करूँ, स्किल को डेवलप कैसे करूँ और अपनी जर्नी को बिगिन कैसे करूँ, तो ये पॉडकास्ट आपके लिए. बिकॉज आज जो हमारे शो पे गेस्ट आए हैं, शी हैज़ मोर देन 19 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एज अ CA, देन एज अ फाइनेंशियल लीडर. शी इज ऑल्सो अ बिजनेस ग्रोथ एग्जीक्यूटिव फॉर Zotter इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. उनके खुद के 2 पॉडकास्ट है एंड शी इज बिन अ पब्लिक स्पीकर थ्रू आउट दिस जर्नी. आज हमने उनसे सारी बातें की है कि कैसे आप पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर सकते हैं, कैसे स्टेज फियर को निकाल सकते हैं, कैसे अपने अंदर के आर्टिस्ट को आप ग्रो कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ दिस इज समथिंग दैट एक्साइट्स यू, stay tuned because you're gonna love this podcast. Welcome Jyoti, Harsh on Dream with Neeraj show. So before you begin watching the podcast, remember कि हमारा ये शो Spotify एक्सक्लूसिव है और Spotify पे ये YouTube से 24 आवर्स पहले अवेलेबल है. So definitely check Dream with Neeraj show on Spotify. So welcome Jyoti to Dream with Neeraj show and I'm really excited because मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि पहली बार मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस हुआ. आई फील लाइक आई हैव अ पर्सन दैट हैज सच अ ह्यूज एक्सपीरियंस इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स एंड डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स एंड काफ़ी कुछ से गुजरे हो आप. एंड आई एम लाइक लिटरली फीलिंग लाइक अ किड जिसको आज बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलने वाला है. एंड आई एम हम्बल टू हैव यू, सो प्लीज वेलकम.
Arey, thank you so much, Neeraj. Thank you so much for inviting me. And it's a pleasure. And I'm equally nervous. I was telling you.
कोई नहीं,
Yeah.
10 मिनट में सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
So yes, it's thrilling, it's exciting, and thank you. Yeah. So looking forward to this
तो एक काम
conversation.
करते हैं.
Hmm.
एब्सोल्युटली, मी सेम हियर. तो एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद योर करंट things that you're doing in life. जो एक दो चीज़ें आपकी अभी मेन प्रायोरिटीज. आई नो यू आर ऑल्सो अ पॉडकास्ट होस्ट, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट देयर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ एंड व्हेन दिस ऑल जर्नी बिगेन. लाइक पहले से पता था कि आज ज्योति जो कर रही है वही कर रही होगी? लाइक वाज इट लाइक दैट?
ये कभी किसी को नहीं पता होता कि आज जो हम कर रहे हैं वो वही कर रहे होंगे. दैट आई थिंक इज वेरी रेयर. आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. I and I have a matlab after becoming a chartered accountant, I have a post qualification experience, working experience of more than 19 years now. uh, I've always been a public speaker, so I love speaking on stage. And uh, so as a chartered accountant also, I was working in Gandhidham, Gujarat. That's my hometown. And I worked in Dubai. Um, a little more than 5 years ago, I relocated to Gurgaon. Right now, I'm working with a consulting company, and which is Zotter India Private Limited. And yeah, I'm also working on a podcast for our company. I'm I have the opportunity of hosting it. It's called CXO Speak, and we have
नाइस.
conversations with leaders, business leaders, and the way they think, the way they perform, what they do. So it's wonderful to sort of have that conversation with them, and to also look at their profiles. It just amazes me kitna kuch kiya hai unhone. And yeah, those conversations are brilliant. So that's one of the things that's going on right now. um and yeah, I mean, I also very recently recorded the last episode of my own audio podcast, which was on Spotify, which is called Storyfy. So yeah, I was doing a
Nice.
little, Hindi. That podcast is in Hindi. Hindi stories hai, short stories, inspiring, वेरी फील गुड स्टोरीज, आप रात को सुनो तो बड़ा अच्छा लगे, फील गुड सी
Hmm.
स्टोरीज है. एंड yeah, because currently I'm working with Zotter, so I'm working as the business development partner there. So a lot of my work involves talking to people, um, you know extending the brand, talking about it, telling people what we
Got
do.
it.
So yes, this is what's happening at the moment. A lot of things happening at the moment. I think I'll just
Yeah, yeah,
summarize
true,
that for
true.
you. वरना बहुत deep चला
नहीं, it's pretty
जाएगा.
interesting.
Yeah, thanks,
नहीं, नहीं,
thanks.
नहीं, ये काफ़ी अच्छा स्टार्ट है, ये काफ़ी अच्छा स्टार्ट है. सो I'm gonna divide this into 3
Yeah,
parts. Since you are somebody who's very passionate about public speaking and और आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है उसके अंदर, right? So we'll talk about your public speaking
हाँ
and
जी.
then since you are speaking to so many leaders and you know CXOs, so you have access to like what are their thoughts and ideology. थोड़ा सा हम हाई परफॉर्मेंस पे बात करेंगे, थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्टिविटी पे बात करेंगे at the end of things like what you recommend, थोड़ा सा mental health. But that would be at the later part. First, I wanna dissect like this public speaking ka passion because you have audio podcast, you have a video podcast, and you've been doing this for a very very long time.
Yeah.
So take me back to that Jyoti who was like 19-20 years old, no idea, but public speaking mein usne pair rakha and now she has such an experience in public speaking, right? How has that journey treated you?
सो 19-20 years की ज्योति ने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में पैर नहीं रखा था. आई थिंक आई डोंट इवन रिमेम्बर कितने साल की थी मैं जब मैंने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में पैर रखा था. सो द क्रेडिट गोज टू माई मॉम.
Hmm.
यू नो एवरी
Nice.
एवरी स्मॉल कॉम्पिटिशन शी यूज टू लाइक push me. So it started from there. Okay, I was a kid. So everything, har ek competition, whether it is recitation or whether it is an elocution or whether it is an extemporary competition or whether it's a debate or it's a group discussion, or even if it means I'm sort of handling the stage,
Hmm.
probably uh, um, like an MC, so I think I've sort of started when I was very young. And
Hmm.
um and that passion grew over a period of time, matlab. So, and I went deeper into it, layer after layer. And I think there are certain nuances of public speaking that you discover while you experiment with it, right?
True.
So this journey is very old, and I believe I gave myself too much of stage time, myself,
Hmm.
and my mother as well. And my family was very supportive. So even my grandfather used to, look up topics and let me know, "Ki, "Arey, see, this is what you can
Hmm.
speak the next time you go on stage on this particular topic." He was a yeah, he was a reader. He used to read a lot. And
Got it.
yeah, so we used to have magazines at home, subscribed, and then I used to read those magazines and stuff like that, just to prepare myself as a speaker, whether or not there is a
Got
competition.
it.
It used to be like an ongoing journey every single day. I was so passionate about it.
True.
So
Hmm.
सो आई थिंक कहीं कोट पढ़ा और लिख लिया, ओ माय, देख कहीं ना कहीं काम आने वाला है. कहीं स्टोरी देखी मैंने, कहीं कोई एनेक्डोट है, समथिंग वेरी इंस्पायरिंग, समथिंग वेरी यूनिक, समथिंग. इवन इफ आई सॉ समवन स्पीकिंग इन अ डिफरेंट वे that was engaging, that was interesting, I'd note it down कि अच्छा, next time probably if I'll speak, I'll use this tool.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's how it happened, and I really don't remember when it started, to be very honest with you.
So, let me pause you here. मैं बताता हूँ क्यों आपको याद नहीं है. See, this is my take on things, right? बहुत बार क्या होता है पता है क्या, हमें पता भी नहीं होता है कि हम एक स्किल को प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं
Right.
जब तक हमें वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती.
Yeah.
सो आई विल गिव यू माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जो मेरे लिए सॉर्ट ऑफ शॉकिंग था और सरप्राइजिंग था. सो
Ah,
आई विल शेयर some bits here,
yeah.
right? So I have always been somebody who's very impromptu.
Mm,
मुझे कभी भी ना उस चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी। इवन एज़ अ गाय हू यूज्ड टू स्टडी ना, तो मेरे टीचर मेरी मम्मी को कंप्लेन करती कि आपका लड़का लिखता नहीं है लेकिन बोलता बहुत अच्छा है।
Mm.
लाइक ही एक्सप्लेन्स वेरी वेल बट ही इज़
Yeah,
वेरी लेज़ी टू राइट इट इन द एग्ज़ाम।
yeah.
वो बोलते कभी-कभी तो मेरे को भी सरप्राइज़ कर देता है कि
हाँ,
बोल-बोल के अरे इसको कैसे पता है ये कांसेप्ट।
बस वही
बट
स्किल
माय
डेवलप कर लिया
फर्स्ट
आपने, बस वही स्किल से ड्रीम विद नीरज
ट्रू
है।
नाइस ये अच्छा
Yeah.
था। मैं बट कमिंग बैक टू आई वाज़ अ वेरी शाय गाय। तो मुझे
हुँ,
पता भी नहीं कि आई वुड लाइक लव पब्लिक स्पीकिंग सो मच और
हुँ,
स्पीकिंग इन जनरल सो मच,
हुँ,
राइट? See, I feel like art and being creative is, I think, the highest form of rebellion
हुँ,
because you have to scratch every notion before that. जब आप
एब्सोल्युटली।
क्रिएटिविटी लाते हो ना अपने अंदर,
हुँ,
तो आपको सारी चीज़ों को तोड़ना पड़ता है जिसका नोशन आपको पहले से बताया गया है, आप उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हो। यू जस्ट हैव टू स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी क्लीन स्लेट,
या एब्सोल्युटली।
राइट? एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज गुड एट डूइंग दैट। तो
हुँ,
पहली बार ये हुआ कि आई थिंक आई रिमेंबर इन माय इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, एंड इसके पहले मैंने कभी कोई स्पीच नहीं दी है,
हुँ,
ठीक है? आई हैव बीन इनटू स्टेजेस एज़ अ डांसर। लोगों को पता भी नहीं है, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वाज फेमस फॉर
हुँ,
वाज डांसिंग।
हुँ।
I was like I used to be there in every dancing competition, every dance that used to happen. Like वो लोग मेरे को बोलते हैं नीरज को क्या हो जाता है स्टेज के ऊपर, ऐसे तो ये बोलता नहीं है। वेरी शाय, वेरी इंट्रोवर्टेड, ओवर थिंकर,
हाँ,
बट या वेरी नॉस्टैल्जिक कर दिया आपने मेरे को यहाँ पे। कमिंग बैक
ओह!
टू माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑन स्टेज
हुँ,
इज तो मेरे थर्ड ईयर का इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के अंदर जो मेरी ईएक्सटीसी मैंने किया है,
हुँ,
कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन, तो उसका एक मीटअप था,
हुँ,
ठीक है? और उसमें ना मुझे इलेक्ट कर दिया एज़ अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ माय डिपार्टमेंट
हुँ,
बाय माय टीचर्स एंड माय क्लास। मुझे पता नहीं, मैं गया और उन्होंने बोला कि हर डिपार्टमेंट के हेड को स्पीच देनी है।
हुँ,
अब 4 डिपार्टमेंट है,
हुँ,
मैकेनिकल,
हुँ,
सिविल,
हुँ,
कंप्यूटर एंड ये, ठीक है?
हुँ।
एंड आई वाज़ पार्ट ऑफ द लाइक सीनियर मोस्ट बैच इन द कॉलेज। हमारा कॉलेज भी नया था। तो और मैं कुछ ऐसे प्रिपेयर कभी ज़िंदगी में किया नहीं है, और वहाँ पे 500-600 लोग का क्राउड ऊ चिल्ला रहा
Yeah.
है। एंड आई वाज़ लाइक ये क्या हो रहा है? एंड आई वाज़ द फर्स्ट गाय बिकॉज़ सारे डिपार्टमेंट में से आई वाज़ द फर्स्ट वन हू हैड टू गिव द स्पीच।
Ah,
वो नर्वसनेस अलग, मैंने किसी
हाँ,
को देखा ही नहीं है अब तक कि
हाँ,
इसने क्या बोला है,
हाँ,
कॉपी कर लूँ,
हाँ,
वो भी नहीं हो
राइट,
सकता।
राइट।
सो आई विल टेल यू, उस टाइम पे मुझे पता चला कि आई हैव द स्किल।
हुँ,
व्हाई? बिकॉज़ आई वाज़ पुश्ड
हुँ,
एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग,
हुँ,
हाउ डिड आई स्टार्ट? इमेजिन मैं
हुँ,
गया वहाँ पे, एवरीबॉडी वाज़ बूइंग,
हुँ।
आई स्टार्टेड बूइंग आल्सो।
ओह!
मेरे हाथ में माइक है, आई स्टार्टेड बूइंग और लाइक क्या मुझे स्पीच
Yeah,
देने के लिए,
true,
वेरी
true,
नेचुरल, वेरी
true,
इम्प्रॉम्प्टू,
true.
यू नो,
हाँ,
एंड आई नेचुरली हैंडल्ड इट।
हाँ,
मुझे मतलब आई डिडंट इवन फील लाइक स्ट्रेस्ड एट
हुँ,
दैट मोमेंट। मैं
हुँ,
बस आई वाज ट्राइंग टू बी माई सेल्फ। आई वाज
हुँ,
लाइक कि व्हाई वुड यू इवन लिसन टू मी?
हुँ,
आई स्टार्टेड विद दैट क्वेश्चन,
हुँ,
राइट? आई लव्ड, आफ्टर दैट आई लव्ड गिविंग प्रेजेंटेशन। आई हैव ऑलवेज लव्ड गिविंग प्रेजेंटेशन,
हुँ,
बट मैं एज एन ऑडियंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से सोच रहा था कि यार मैं भी इनमें से एक हूँ, मैं क्यों
हुँ,
सुनूंगा किसी को 15 मिनट? ठीक है, सो
हुँ,
आई स्टार्टेड विद दैट, आई
हुँ.
स्टार्टेड विद बोइंग, दैट मेड देम फील दैट कि उनमें से कोई एक स्पीच दे रहा
Absolutely,
है, राइट? इट
yes.
काम्ड देम डाउन।
Yeah, yeah,
देन आई स्टार्टेड विद कि क्यों सुनना है भाई, क्यों 15 मिनट वाला है, मजा ही
yeah,
कर लो। सो
yeah.
आई केम आउट टू लाइक different levels,
हाँ,
and I realized I'm good at understanding human psychology. I was trying to
wonderful.
understand my audience,
हुँ,
and I realized I gave the speech, and after the speech, like everybody suddenly knew who is Neeraj.
true
Like very different.
experience.
I had never expected that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. It's I'll tell you what, I mean, जो आपने ये incidents बताया, um, I had a similar incident, but because I started very young, I was very young. मतलब मैं एक बहुत ही लंबी सी पोएम हमारी एक टीचर
Hmm.
ने लिखी थी, and she'd written it. So she was the poetess, and she wanted me to recite that. Okay, because she felt I would be the best child to be reciting that on the stage. And suddenly I went blank on the stage. मतलब दो paragraphs के
Oh.
बाद I forgot
Hmm.
completely. भूल गई
Hmm.
मैं. That was so before that experiences were, but this one I specifically remember. And
Hmm.
इतना ज़्यादा fog, brain fog हो गया कि I
Hmm. Hmm.
could
Hmm.
not at all remember anything. I just left the stage. I went back in and I cried like anything. I cried, cried, cried.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
matlab, this was the first instances of something that I can call as an experience that I remember. Uh, when I
स्टेज
was
फ्राइड।
very young. Yeah. उसके बाद आई मेड इट अ पॉइंट, कभी कभी भी नहीं बोलूंगी मैं स्टेज पे जाके. एंड देन आई हैव माय ओन वेज ऑफ remembering what pointers I need to speak about, why, how not to have. So it happened gradually.
हुँ,
Coming back to what you were saying, आपको शायद realization नहीं है कि all of what you said, they have certain, all of them are a certain tool and technique to be able to handle an audience. Okay, there is a little
हुँ,
bit of what do you call it, a little bit of the science and the art of public speaking in everything that you mentioned. For instance, booing.
ट्रू, ट्रू।
Okay, when you say you started
हुँ,
booing with them, now if you look at it carefully, what happens is, when you start a speech, you begin. There are various ways you can begin a speech. Okay, some people, uh,
हुँ,
they tell a story. Some of them can say, um, कोई कोट बता दिया, कोई इनसाइट बता दिया, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि आप इनिशियली और ऑडियंस के साथ कनेक्ट कर गए, राइट? सम पीपल
सो
टेक
ट्रू।
टू ह्यूमर. ओके, अब ह्यूमर इज अ वेरी रिस्की स्पेस, क्योंकि जो आपको
या इट
ह्यूमरस
इज़,
लगता है जरूरी नहीं है
किसी और को ना लगे।
कि सामने वाले को क्या पता मतलब सम कोई बुरा मान जाए. सो वेरी रिस्की. द सेफेस्ट ह्यूमर इज सेल्फ डेप्रिकेटिंग ह्यूमर. The
हाँ,
safest one
या
is self, and that is the tool that you used without you even knowing it,
यस,
right?
यस, यस,
So that's
यस।
how, that's one of the ingredients of being a great speaker, to be able to handle a crowd. You connect with them, you understand what they want, to break that ice when you are on stage, so that they feel they're having a conversation. They're not here to listen, they are here to engage and to be involved in something that you have to say to them, right? Probably a conversation to
वेरी
be
ट्रू।
immersed in, right? So
हुँ,
that starts with breaking the ice, and I think one of the tools that you used was that. So ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा ये मैंने किया, but if you look at
हाँ।
it, there's a lot going behind what you did. So that, yeah.
I think you have described it very beautifully. I'm gonna summarize it. It's like if you can understand humans very well, you
Mm,
can understand life very well, because everywhere you go, you are dealing with humans.
absolutely.
Whether it's public speaking,
Absolutely.
whether it's interview,
Yeah, yeah.
whether any field you
True.
choose, right? Marketing से लेके everything,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I have a connotation here. Like मेरे को ये लगता है ना कि before you even speak or do something, you need to first have somebody's attention.
Hmm.
So by booing, I had their attention.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That's the level one. पहले आपको attention grab करनी है. It can be anything. It can be sarcasm. Somebody take
Yeah.
a violin and they
Yeah,
start their
yeah.
TED talk. Why? Because it grabs the
Yes.
attention.
Yes.
Then there is a promise of value.
Hmm.
Why should I care about what you speak?
Hmm. Hmm.
Right? So there has to be a promise of value.
Hmm.
So I heard Dr. Velu Mani in
Hmm.
person.
Hmm.
Unki jo story thi, he's a
Hmm.
very good storyteller, one of the best that I've seen
Hmm.
on the stages. So he started with his line, and he uses humor, again the self depreciating one, right? So he started, Mumbai आया 500
हाँ,
रुपए लेके,
हाँ,
मुंबई गया 5,000 करोड़ का चेक लेके. Now
हाँ.
everybody wants to
Yeah.
listen, right?
Yes.
You
Yes.
know,
Yeah. That's the opening line.
when he
हाँ.
yeah, that's the opening line. And
हाँ.
now suddenly everybody's hooked.
Yeah.
Everybody's hooked.
True.
और उसके पहले ना 10 लोग आके स्पीच देके गए थे.
Hmm.
Literally 10 people.
Hmm.
I could see partial engagement.
Hmm.
I could see 70, 60.
Hmm.
It was 110 when he spoke. 110. Like
Hmm.
literally people
Hmm.
were going crazy
Hmm.
because the way he spoke, he used humor.
Hmm.
He used his body language very well.
Hmm.
ठीक है, वो एकदम उसकी तरह खड़े हुए कि मैं
Hmm.
एक साउथ इंडियन है, मैं
Hmm.
एक्सेंट को नहीं छोड़ा अपने.
Hmm.
He didn't try to go with a fake thing, right? I
Hmm.
think people who stay very true to who they are
Hmm.
and add that into their mix ना,
Hmm.
तो उससे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल पब्लिक स्पीकिंग बाहर निकलती है. आई थिंक दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग दैट यू कैन डू.
Absolutely.
एंड आई वाज
Absolutely.
ऑब्जर्विंग दिस गाय
Hmm.
कि ये कर क्या रहे हैं, मतलब
Hmm. Hmm.
ऐसा होता है ना, थिएटर हाउसफुल हो जाता है, लोग
Yeah,
चीख
yeah.
रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं,
Yeah,
हमको
yeah.
एक सेल्फी चाहिए, हमारे साथ कुछ ले
Yeah,
लो.
yeah, yeah.
एंड
Yeah,
nobody
yeah,
knew him before the
yeah.
speech.
That's
After the
that's the
speech,
magic that you
all
can
of the
create.
hall,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.
yeah,
It's more about, for a speaker to be able to
Hmm.
gauge the instant feedback that comes from an audience, right?
True.
It's
True.
all about, okay, what is the conversation about? What does your audience? What is the composition of your audience? How would they be comfortable engaging with you, being involved with you? To understand your audience, you need to be aware of their, uh, the set of crowd that you are addressing, right? Some speakers like moving amongst the crowd, okay, just to make them feel that I'm a part of you. So it's more about each individual speaker developing
True.
his or her unique style of talking to people. It's just that.
Hmm.
So the more
Yeah.
the more authentic you are, uh,
Hmm.
the better you are able to connect with people.
So true.
Right.
So
So
true.
you can be a great speaker. You can have all the wonderful, the perfect gestures, the perfect smile, the perfect body language, everything. And if you're not authentic, uh,
Hmm.
you might not know what. I mean, even as a listener, you might not know what was a miss, and you still feel कि यार connect नहीं हो पाई मैं, right? So that authenticity when you're speaking to an audience is very important, and it
So
comes with
true.
practice. Because why I'm saying practice,
Yes.
because in the beginning you're just anxious about doing the act
Hmm.
perfectly, right? Because you
Correct.
have to you're facing a crowd, all I don't know how many pairs of eyes on you, and you're center of the stage, and all of that
So
happening
true.
all of that happening so I think Isaac Newton has said, the people fear death the most, and on number 2 is public speaking.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So and
Yeah.
then and
Dale Carnegie.
yeah, and that I mean, there's also an insight. There's a study which says 85% of the people, they, they acknowledge that they have anxiety before they speak,
True.
and there's a joke around it also. Okay, 15%, the remaining 50%, they are lying. So yeah,
True. True. So true.
yeah.
So
So
true.
there is a little bit of anxiety within everybody.
Yeah.
So for people who overcome that anxiety, who are able to manage, so it cannot be overcome as such, but if you manage it, and if you are able to be your authentic self
Hmm.
after you do that,
Hmm.
that is an instant connect that you create, and that is when the flow
Correct.
happens. So if
Correct.
the flow is missing, you'll not be able to create that wow moment for for your audience. So I think that's how it works.
So if I have to summarize this, अगर किसी को stage fright है,
Hmm.
so what I personally feel and what I get from your conversation is कि try to practice it, because anxiety जब मैंने पहली बार speak किया था, मुझे भी थी, और हर बार होती है कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी बहुत anxiety, but you're used to that feeling.
Hmm.
It's not a foreign feeling to you.
Hmm.
That is the key.
Hmm.
I can bet you कि चाहे किसी ने कितनी बार public speaking की हो, कितनी बार stage पे किया हो,
Hmm.
every time that person goes on the stage, there is some certain sense of anxiety there कि हाँ ठीक है मैं stage पे जा रहा हूँ, attention will be on me,
Hmm.
I have to deliver,
Hmm.
because वो एक subconscious pressure develop हो
Hmm.
जाता है, I have to deliver, I
Hmm.
have to make it
Hmm.
worthwhile कि ये
Hmm.
मुझे अपना time दे रहे
Hmm.
हैं, right?
Hmm.
That is always there in your subconscious, which will never go away.
Hmm.
The point is you learn to build upon that responsibility,
Hmm.
राइट? पहली बार जब मैंने किया था तो मुझे पता चला कि चलो ठीक है, कुछ कर सकता हूँ मैं इसके अंदर, राइट? इट्स नॉट समथिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, नेचुरली मेरे में थोड़ा सा टैलेंट है फॉर द पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, बिकॉज आई वॉज सडनली एबल टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट प्रेशर
Hmm.
into an opportunity. And I
Absolutely.
even used this statement back then in my first, and 500 लोग देख रहे थे यार,
Hmm.
500 बच्चे पागल, and not sensible crowd, right? And I remember the line that I used was, there is no problem but opportunity. Problem and opportunity ना एक ही सिक्के के दोनों
दो
पहलू. I
पहलू
use
है.
that in
Yeah.
that speech as well.
Yeah.
And like teachers and everybody came after कि अरे यार ये तो surprised us.
Huh?
मैंने बोला मैं खुद को सरप्राइज
I
कर दिया भाई, यहाँ
Yeah.
पे आप तो छोड़ो.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you
Wonderful.
know
Wonderful. Wonderful.
and I just want to tell this to anyone out there ki everybody fears the stage for the first time. The point is, the number of times you repeat it, you conquer the fear eventually
Hmm.
in the process,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
You get used to it. रोज मैं जिम जाता हूँ, देखो पेन तो उतना ही हो रहा है, बट मेरी टॉलरेंस बढ़ गई ना.
Hmm. Hmm. Building the
अब
muscle.
मेरे को डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगता.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, because I have to be there for 2 hours.
Hmm.
I have to do, difficult stuff for those 2 hours. But
Hmm.
मेरा mental fortitude बढ़ गया.
Hmm.
It feels like चाहिए मुझे वो,
Hmm.
because it makes me stay on the edge
Hmm.
कि नहीं ये करना है,
Hmm.
because it helps my mindset. It
Hmm.
gives me that push कि नहीं मैं जा रहा हूँ. It's been 5 years
Hmm.
since I've been consistently working out.
Hmm.
I feel it's very small. मैं तो मरते दम तक करूँगा, but it's like, the point is कि उससे मुझे एक एक्टिविटी 5 साल तक करना सिखा दी.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You understand? Now that I can apply to anything in life,
Yes.
whether it's speaking.
Yeah, I think what you're saying is pretty interesting because हम रियलाइज नहीं करते कि जैसे हम एक एक्टिविटी में अपना मसल बिल्ड करते हैं, उसी तरीके से हमारा ब्रेन जब हम कोई और एक्टिविटी करते हैं, उसी तरीके से हमारा उसमें भी मसल बिल्ड होता है. सो देयर आर पैटर्न्स इन हाउ वी
Correct.
बिहेव, राइट? सो इफ आई डू अ सर्टेन टास्क इन वन वे and I'm building my skill there, you look at it, observe it very carefully. If you just observe the
Mhm.
pattern and try to look at what's happening there, if you try and replicate that into building another skill set in within your
Hmm.
personality, it'll be, I think, almost the same, right? So
So true.
so what happens is, talking about anxiety, to manage anxiety, when it comes to public speaking, it's a little more difficult because there बहुत ज़्यादा
Hmm.
anxiety होती है when you feel कि oh my god, there are so many people who are just looking at me. Okay, and there's this tremendous pressure to be able to deliver and to speak in
Mhm.
front of an audience, and larger the crowd, the greater the anxiety,
True.
right? So there can be some tools, there can be some baby steps that someone can take here. So you can start with a smaller audience, so it's how do you start?
So
you
nice.
have you have a set of friends, okay, unko bolo कि okay chalo, let's do this. Let's
Round table
speak.
discussion.
हाँ जी. So you can give like an extemporary topic. चलो इस पे बात करते हैं, चलो इस पे बात करते हैं. So that's how you build. Another is, like
Yes.
high performers do. If you talk about sportsmen, Sachin Tendulkar, before he used to go out to bat, he used to listen to his favorite songs, Walkman laga ke. He's always mentioned
हाँ,
that.
हाँ, हाँ.
Okay, when he is supposed
Same
to
here.
go into the zone, what he does to calm his mind is to listen to some of his very favorite songs, right? So that is a grounding technique.
So true.
That is a technique where you bring all of your senses to the present moment. Okay, कि क्या होगा is future. कितना मैंने प्रिपेयर किया, ठीक किया कि नहीं, is the past. But right now, I have to be in the moment to be able to be in flow. Without the flow,
Hmm.
I don't think I'll be able to connect with the audience. I'll never be able to speak, you know, um, with authenticity, with you know,
Hmm.
just naturally. So when you say naturally doesn't happen. There's nothing called natural. There's nothing natural. How
Mhm.
does it become natural? It becomes second nature when you practice it over and over again. So I love this. you
So
know
true.
I always tell this. I've taken workshops for teenagers, for kids, for youngsters, and when I tell them what are the 3 P's of public speaking. So I ask them, what are the 3 P's of public speaking? So some
Hmm.
people will say something. Okay, tell me, Neeraj, what are the 3 P's of public speaking? You have any guesses?
I'm bad at this thing. Practice, performance, and I guess patience.
Hmm. Okay, the 3 P's of public speaking are practice, practice, practice.
पहले वाला सही था मेरा.
पहला वाला सही. पहला वाला
Yeah.
multiplied by 3. So just
Three
imagine,
times.
yes,
Yep.
more than that, probably. Because the more stage time you give yourself, uh, the better
Hmm.
you get, right? So it's all in practicing. It's very beautiful. आप कोई भी आर्ट ले लीजिए, कोई भी आर्ट। सो आई से पब्लिक
So
स्पीकिंग
true,
इज एन
so
आर्ट,
true.
राइट? सो कोई अगर सिंगर है, कोई कोई डांसर है, राइट? सो लाइक यू सेड यू लव डांसिंग। How were you able to dance on the stage so well? You might have performed, practiced that so many times in a, मतलब bathroom singer, bathroom dancer, whatever it may be, right? But I'm sure आपने उसको multiple times किया होगा। ये भी ध्यान दिया होगा कि अरे शाहिद कपूर का ये वाला स्टेप कल प्रैक्टिस करके देखते हैं, ओके? ऋतिक रोशन का ये वाला
हाँ,
स्टेप प्रैक्टिस करके देखते हैं।
ऋतिक रोशन ने मेरे को लाया था डांस में।
बिल्कुल, yeah. So that's how it happens, कि oh, let's try this. And when you try it, you keep trying, and then that's how
So true,
you become natural. So coming back to that, हम कई बार बोलते हैं अरे she's a natural, oh he's a natural. That to be able to come at that stage, there's a lot of practice that happens. Okay, and only
so
then
true,
you become a natural. It becomes like a second nature. तब तक आप
so true.
एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहते हैं टू बी एबल टू रीच that goes with every art form. So I think, yeah, that's how I feel.
I think मैं यहाँ पे एक बहुत
Hmm.
I highly resonate with this. I'll tell you why because I feel एक एक हैबिट ने मेरे को इतनी सारी हैबिट्स करना सिखा दिया ना. So I
Hmm.
told you people don't know that I was initially famous for dance because now I am more famous for singing. I'm a professionally trained singer
Oh
as well,
wow, great,
right?
wonderful. I did
Yeah,
not know
and
this. आपको गाते हुए
yeah,
सुनना
I can
पड़ेगा
play
कभी।
guitar. Definitely, definitely. I can play guitar. I'm
Great.
learning a piano, which is behind, and
I can see that.
I'm then gonna learn a mouth organ. So I'm
Wonderful,
gonna learn three instruments.
wonderful, wonderful.
You know, it's very difficult to learn a musical instrument when you're not a kid.
Yes, absolutely.
न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी बहुत कम हो जाती है,
बिल्कुल,
ठीक है? सो आई
बिल्कुल।
स्टार्टेड पिकिंग अप गिटार व्हेन आई वाज 24 लाइक आफ्टर माय एक्सीडेंट हैपेंड
हम्म,
बिकॉज़ आई वाज नेचुरली लाइक मुझे गाना बहुत पसंद था
हम्म,
एंड आई एम अ बिग ऑडियोफाइल लाइक मैं जब पढ़ाई करता था ना तो मैं हेडफोन्स लगा के पढ़ाई करता था लाइक एज़ यू मेंशन ना
हम्म,
सो मेरे को सचिन तेंदुलकर वाला एग्जांपल बड़ा रिलेट
हम्म,
हुआ।
हम्म।
मेरे को कोई परेशानी नहीं कर पाता था।
हाँ,
मैं अपना डीजे कान में
yeah,
लगा के घूम रहा
yeah.
हूँ। तुमको जो बोलना है
बोलना
बोलो, जो करना है
राइट,
करो, मैं
या
अपने ज़ोन में हूँ।
राइट।
कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा था। बट सीरियसली आई फील सी जिम में हम जाते हैं you have to constantly challenge yourself to grow. Your
हम्म,
body adapts. It's
हम्म,
very smart.
हम्म,
तो आपको 10 से 20 केजी पे जाना पड़ेगा,
हम्म।
20 से 30 केजी पे जाना पड़ेगा. You have to consciously push yourself and keep pushing yourself.
ट्रू,
The process is always challenging.
ट्रू
It
दैट।
will never. I still it challenges me, right?
हम्म,
And उस एक चीज ने क्या किया कि जब मैं गिटार पे गिव अप करने वाला था, आई थिंक आई ट्राइड फॉर 3 months. नए नए में it you bleed, your hands go rough
या
because you
आई
are
नो,
not
या
habitual to
या
it. You
एब्सोल्युटली, इट्स
develop
वेरी
that dead
पेनफुल,
skin, right?
वेरी पेनफुल टिल द
Yeah,
टाइम यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट। या
yeah. So true, so true. And my brother, like my elder cousin brother, he's in Air Force. He tried learning guitar and
ओह,
usse nahi hua. He gave up in the
ओह,
journey. He took the book, and I've seen so many people fail in learning a musical
या
instrument, right?
या
Because nahi dikhta result.
यस,
You practice,
यस,
practice, practice,
यस।
and I'll tell you, I practiced for 3 months,
हम्म,
and then I gave up कि भाई नहीं हो सकता ये.
हम्म,
फिर मतलब and
हम्म,
then suddenly after 1 month नहीं, I have to try. Maybe it's like I am lacking in some process. I need to introspect here. तो वो
हम्म,
जैसे जिम में भी होता है कि okay, if you're trying to develop a particular muscle group and if it's not developing, maybe your technique is wrong.
हम्म,
Maybe the volume is less.
हम्म,
Maybe also
हम्म,
that gave me the habit of like introspecting in myself
हम्म,
because वो accident के बाद भी उस
हम्म,
चीज की आदत पड़ गई थी मुझे. If something is not happening
हम्म,
because I'm lacking a skill set right now, I
हम्म,
can develop it.
मेक
तो फिर
सेंस।
मैंने वापस से गिटार लिया. मैं बोला कि नहीं यार, कुछ तो
कुछ तो
मैं
है,
आई नो.
कुछ तो है जो मिस कर
हाँ,
रहे
तो
हैं।
और मुझे शिद्दत से पता था कि जितनी कंसिस्टेंसी से मैं प्रैक्टिस कर सकता हूँ मैंने नहीं किया. तो 3 महीने के अंदर मैंने मे बी 10, 11, 12 बार गिटार उठाया होगा. एंड
हुँ,
आई वाज नॉट दैट डेडिकेटेड इन दैट 3 मंथ्स.
हुँ,
ठीक है, बट द नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स आई टुक इट.
हुँ,
आई डिड इट फॉर एवरी डे.
हुँ,
And it took me not even 3 months. It took me, I guess, 35 days, and I played my first song on guitar.
वाओ!
So,
वाओ! दैट्स
and
अमेजिंग,
अब मैं
दैट्स अ
ऐसे नींद से उठ के भी बजा सकता हूँ मैं.
वंडरफुल,
Because
वंडरफुल।
now now my brain has developed that skill, right? And it's
Yeah,
been 5 years I'm playing
yeah,
guitar.
yeah,
तो
yeah,
वो मसल
wonderful.
मेमोरी बन गई है.
Yeah, wonderful. So this also reminds me, matlab I was going through some posts on social media, and someone said, Usain Bolt, he said, to be able to run in the way I run, for 8 minutes.
Hmm.
I practiced for 20 years.
So true.
And today, nowadays, people give up in 2 months when they don't see results. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it is
that,
so true. It
so
is so true.
when you listen to high performers speak like that, you want to get back to what you want to do so badly. So if you're passionate about something, like you said, you were passionate about guitar and you wanted to go back to it and you found a way, right? And it's just a love affair, right? So if you have
Yeah,
it's
it is.
it's
It is.
if you have
It
a love
is.
affair, you keep going back to your passion. If it's not there,
Yeah,
it's not there.
yeah.
जबरदस्ती तो कर ही नहीं सकते हम किसी चीज के साथ, right? So yeah,
Right.
but then
Right.
it's very important to be patient, right? I mean, I was
Yeah.
listening to
Yeah.
not listening to, मतलब ये तो क्या बोलूं मैं, I always keep listening to Sonu Nigam ji speak. In one of his interviews he mentioned this, कि सरस्वती, आर्ट इज सरस्वती है वो। तो आप जितनी शिद्दत
Correct.
से आप आराधना करते हैं, जितनी शिद्दत से आप साधना करते हैं, अपने आर्ट फॉर्म को जितना आप देते हैं,
Hmm.
जितना
Hmm.
ज़्यादा देंगे उतनी उतनी उतना ही आशीर्वाद मिलता है सरस्वती से। सो उससे
So true.
ज़्यादा
So
आशीर्वाद
true.
मिलता है आपको उतनी ही शिद्दत से, मतलब इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाउ मच डिवोशन, हाउ डिवोटेड यू आर टू योर
So
आर्ट,
true. So
टू
true.
व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। बिकॉज़ आई बिलीव, मेरे लिए एवरीथिंग इज़ एन आर्ट। मतलब एक, इफ यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम विदिन, आप मैं भले चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट
You
हूँ,
are.
मैं
Yeah.
2+2 करूँगी या व्हाटएवर करूँगी, आई विल बी एबल टू फाइंड आर्ट in whatever I do, right? I want it to be the best art. ये वाली बैलेंस शीट भी बनेगी ना तो ऐसे मस्त वाली बननी चाहिए, मतलब I should so not like that, but I'm just saying
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
when
I
I'm
get it.
looking at it,
Yeah, I get
I
it.
would want to look at it like an artist. What is it speaking? So it happens, so I truly believe that whatever you do uh, is is an art, and the more you practice it, the better you get, the better artist you are. And this moment also I remember, my cousin, क्या हुआ था कि it was her birthday and she's a Kathak dancer.
Hmm.
She's done her Visharad and she's been practicing Kathak since so many years now. And जैसे होता है cousins में, I called her at the end of the day, मतलब after, so that I could speak to her for a longer while. तो मैं 11 सवा 11 बजे शायद I had called her, and she told
Hmm.
me I was practicing. मैंने कहा इतने बजे? बोले yeah, I practice every,
Hmm.
तो शी इज़ बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग
Hmm.
सिंस सो मेनी इयर्स। मैंने कहा आज बर्थडे के दिन मतलब 11 बजे यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग? बोले हाँ, इफ यू डोंट नो आई विल टेल यू कि आर्टिस्ट को श्राप मिला हुआ है। आई एम लाइक व्हाट? शी इज लाइक
Yeah, so true. I relate with
या
this.
बोले आर्टिस्ट को श्राप मिला हुआ है, अगर हम प्रैक्टिस करना छोड़ देंगे ना, तो हम हमारी कला भूल जाएँगे। दैट वाज़ अ पेनी ड्रॉप मोमेंट फॉर मी। आई वाज़ लाइक माय गॉड, दिस इज़ सो ट्रू, एंड इट्स ट्रू फॉर एवरीथिंग। आप जो करते हो,
It is.
दैट वो एक कला है, राइट? आप जो भी करते हो, इफ यू डोंट प्रैक्टिस इट फॉर 2 डेज़, you will know on the third day, some are you I I'm sure you can relate to this. You play the guitar, आप 4
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
करो,
can. I can. I
5वें दिन
can.
आपको
I
लगेगा
can.
समथिंग, कोई सुर तो ऑफ है। So yeah, that, I think public speaking is one of those, uh is an art. So you have to give yourself that much of stage time. नहीं है तो क्रिएट करना पड़ता है अपने आप के लिए। You need to engage, you need to give yourself that stage time, you need to go out there, speak to people, formal, informal, just marinate in that feeling कि my goodness, I'm, speaking to people, creating that magic over and over again, whether it is a formal gathering, informal gathering, doesn't matter. But
So true.
it's just about how you feel when you talk to people, whether formal, informal gatherings. It's still a public speaking.
या सो ट्रू। सॉरी टू ब्रेक द फ्लो ऑफ योर पॉडकास्ट, पर अगर आपको ये पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लग रहा है तो इसमें बहुत मेहनत जाती है। हम ट्राई करते हैं कि हम बेस्ट गेस्ट आप तक ला सकें और एक रोड मैप बना के दे सकें कि जिससे आप अपने सपनों के लिए लड़ सको या आप उन स्किल्स को अचीव कर सकते हो जो आप करना चाहते हैं। तो डेफिनेटली हिट दैट लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब बटन, और अगर हो सके तो किसी एक के साथ शेयर कर देना, बिकॉज दिस might change someone's life. ये मेरे को बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, यू नो, व्हेन यू टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टेज टाइम,
Hmm.
राइट? मैं आपको एक मैं मेरी तरफ से हैक देना चाहूँगा जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है जिससे मेरे को बहुत हेल्प किया है इन
Hmm.
टू डेवलप दैट काइंड ऑफ अ कॉन्वर्जेशनल स्किल, इज टू have conversations with people who don't know you.
Hmm.
I'll tell you why.
Hmm.
Because it is very similar to the audience because they also don't know you.
Absolutely.
So when you try to network with someone, so what I have relentlessly tried to do is to network with people or to talk with people who are doing or above me or doing something very different than me. Because when I do that, I get to try to practice how I do things on the stage because I have to grab the attention first, I have to give the value, then they speak with me.
Hmm.
थर्ड पार्ट लेटर उसमें आता है,
Hmm.
राइट? एंड ड्यूरिंग whole of this process you realize where you can improve. It's kind of a self reflection thing कि आपका टॉप इंप्रेशन अच्छा नहीं गया,
Hmm.
why did this person not respond, right?
Hmm.
Initially you will flunk in some people, like some people genuinely might not like you, some people might be busy, it's not about liking as well, right? But you get to practice the exact same thing,
Hmm.
trying to talk to people who are stranger to you,
Hmm.
right? And the second benefit I would say is you get to learn so much that you did not know anything about. कि मैंने सपोज किसी फाइनेंस वाले बंदे से बात कर लिया, मुझे थोड़ा बहुत फाइनेंस पता चल गया। मैंने किसी हाई परफॉर्मर से बात कर लिया, एथलीट से बात कर लिया, मुझे उसके बारे में थोड़ा पता चल गया। सो आई गेट टू टॉक विद सो मेनी टॉपिक्स कि अगर मैं कभी कुछ भूल भी जाता हूँ तो मुझे पता है कि हाँ मैंने इससे बात की थी, दिस विल मेक सेंस हियर। सो आई
Yeah.
फील टू क्रिएट or to become somebody who feels like naturally he is speaking, you have to have that kind of data consume, मतलब आप
Hmm.
अगर गुड कंटेंट कंज्यूम करते हो ना तो
Hmm.
आप गुड स्पीच डिलीवर कर सकते हो। सो लाइक आई लव ईटिंग ब्रेन फूड, लाइक ये पॉडकास्ट हो गया, टॉकिंग टू पीपल हो गया, लाइक एनी काइंड, सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स हो गई, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हो गई, एंड
बिल्कुल।
आई बीन डूइंग दैट सिंस आई वाज अ किड।
Yeah, I guess
आई
yes.
डोंट इवन रिमेंबर।
Yeah, yeah. So I believe I'm a very I read a lot. So मैं थोड़ी सी चूजी हूँ in consuming content. And
सेम।
but at the same time मैं बहुत कम है मेरा listening to uh, content on YouTube or probably very limited. But I love reading. I love reading. So I always believe that the more you read, the more you know, the more you are aware of what's happening.
सो ट्रू।
It's very important. So why I'm saying this is not about it's not just about reading and consuming a lot of content to be able to speak, because that's different, because you're consuming content to be able to have a perspective when you are supposed to speak. But look at the other side of it, like you said, when you talk to somebody who doesn't know you, okay, what happens is, how do you start a conversation? How do you initiate a conversation, right? So there are hacks around that. I may not call it a hack as such because there's no deliberate action over there, but naturally or not, what happens is when you see somebody, you subconsciously notice some of his or her mannerisms, and suppose
सो
you
ट्रू।
pick up on some of what he or she says, and then you feel, Are, this person is interested in probably sports, and then yeah, even I'm interested in sports, we click instantly, matlab, tell me that you are a Sachin Tendulkar fan and we click instantly. It's like that, okay?
सो
So
ट्रू, सो ट्रू।
so it's more about how do you connect with somebody, okay? So you connect with somebody when you know about uh, the subject that excites this person, right? That same thing goes for an audience as well. So when there's a larger crowd, you tend to know what the group consists of. If they are children, you know what makes them smile. You probably talk about
या वो सो
Pokemon
ट्रू।
or something like that, and they'll smile. Okay. I आजकल के बच्चे वैसे बहुत smart है. I don't know what they'll smile at, but yeah. So the more you read, the more you are aware of what's happening, the better you get at initiating conversations with people, one on one, as well as with an audience, because the audience is very smart. Okay, you should never underestimate an audience.
Yeah,
They are smart, they know,
never.
they are aware, they can ask questions, they can engage with you, and they love engaging with people who who can add value to the thought, to their thought patterns as well. uh, so I think it adds a lot of value when you are reading, like you said, consuming content. I think even anything, just be an open, open
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah,
learning a
so
lot of
true.
stuff and experiencing a lot of, even if you experience stuff, I think even that is something that
Yeah,
can easily break the ice with somebody who's experienced the same thing. So that.
I'll tell you something very interesting. Very interesting. I am such a guy ना मेरे को ना I cannot stay static. So I'll tell you I am like performance or trying to push myself is kind of a core theme for me. So like I am not satisfied कि गिटार सीख लिया तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई. I want to learn piano. So I am again living that title. मुझे नहीं आता piano. I
Hmm.
can play सारेगामापा. I can play. So I played my first song, See You Again on piano, right?
Hmm.
But it is like the same process कि मेरे को वो difficulty level बढ़ गया मेरे लिए because my brain doesn't know how to play piano. I
Hmm.
don't know how to
Hmm.
coordinate both the
Hmm.
hands, right?
Hmm.
I know basics of music theory
Hmm.
कि हाँ ये नोट होता है ये वो होता है बट आई स्टिल नीड टू practice it. I need to make my brain give that muscle memory, right?
Hmm.
So I'm in love with the process of learning something new which is difficult for me but also exciting for
Hmm.
me. It's called 60-40 rule.
Hmm.
It should be 60% difficult for you and
Yeah.
40%
Yeah. To be, to
easy.
yeah.
So आपको correct
हाँ, टू बी
to
एबल
keep it
टू कीप यू,
exciting.
या अदरवाइज अगर सारा ही डिफिकल्ट है तो फिर
Yeah,
हम छोड़, वी टेंड टू लीव इट के कल करेंगे।
correct. हाँ, हाँ, and people don't realize this. So I'll
हम्म।
tell you, I'm going to this mental talkies करके 9th जून को.
हम्म।
So there I'm gonna do storytelling for the first
ओह
time in my life.
ग्रेट,
मैंने
वंडरफुल।
consciously reach out करके
वंडरफुल।
consciously I'm going
ओह
there.
वंडरफुल
और
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल, स्टेज टाइम,
I
हाँ।
have never done that, but I am like excited and I don't know. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि you should always throw yourself in new environments.
हम्म।
That gives you the adaptability that you need when you fall.
एब्सोल्युटली, ट्रू दैट,
So that is
ट्रू दैट,
that is
ट्रू
how it
दैट,
works.
ट्रू
तो
दैट।
आई वेंट टू अ कम्युनिटी मीट.
हम्म।
मैंने कभी लाइफ में स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी नहीं किया. मैंने सामने से बोला कि आई वांट टू डू अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी.
ओह
आई रोट द
ग्रेट,
स्क्रिप्ट इन मेट्रो इन 1 hour and I did a stand up
ग्रेट,
for 5
ग्रेट,
minutes.
ग्रेट,
Everybody laughed
ग्रेट।
and now I know I can do stand up, right? You just have to try. मतलब I was like okay करते हैं भाई यार. And the person was I've never seen anybody सामने से बोलते हुए.
हम्म।
People are always shy कि
हम्म।
and nobody knew me.
हम्म।
Everyone was a stranger. It was
हम्म।
a creators community meet. I was invited there
हम्म।
and there were like 10-15 meter. Cafe के अंदर था. So it was like a completely unknown environment for me. At
हम्म।
the end of the meetup, I did the stand up,
हम्म।
and the title of the stand up was If Subconscious Mind Was a Person.
वाओ! वाओ! एंड
And I wrote this in 1 hour.
मतलब अगर रिकॉर्डिंग विकॉर्डिंग है तो आई शुड सी दिस, मतलब सच
Hey,
में।
hey, hey,
प्लीज़ शेयर
I'll
दैट
share
विद
it with
मी।
you. I have the entire recording.
या एंड आई
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
हम एक बार
बोलूँगा
ना,
एडिटर भैया लगा
अ
दो यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत.
हाँ, येस यू शुड। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि नेक्स्ट टाइम हम ऐसे रोल स्वैप करते हैं। लेट मी आस्क क्वेश्चंस, मतलब आई थिंक यू हैव वेरी मेनी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज टू शेयर। और मतलब आप, यू आर जस्ट बीइंग
Yeah.
वेरी मॉडेस्ट टू जस्ट इनवाइट मी। हम एक बार नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसे करेंगे कि आई
No,
लास्ट
no, no.
क्वेश्चंस, मतलब मैं पूछती हूँ, नीरज जी बताइए आपकी लाइफ की जर्नी।
Definitely,
आई
definitely,
नो यू,
definitely.
आई नो आपने कई बार आई थिंक बताया
Transition.
भी है लोगों को। सो you've met with an accident and the transition that has happened, and it's amazing, मतलब अभी भी goosebumps आ जाते हैं the moment I speak about it. So yeah, kudos to you. I think it's very brave,
Thank you so
and
much.
all of these little stories, they seem to be little stories for you, but if you think about it,
Yeah,
it
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 takes a lot of
takes a
courage.
lot of courage. Yeah, so next time मैं मैं होस्ट करूँगी ड्रीम,
Definitely done,
ड्रीम विद
done,
नीरज।
done, done.
नीरज
Yeah,
की
yeah, yeah.
जुबानी।
I'll पक्का पक्का. See, I just wanted to give this out because अगर literally मैं कर सकता हूँ ना, like the way I've transitioned from fumbling, from being shy to being confident on stage. I'm still scared to be honest, but I feel like it's okay to fail. Like वो fear चला गया.
I
You
think
know, the
everyone is
people
scared.
who have,
Everyone is scared.
yeah,
The moment you acknowledge that, everyone is scared, and that's how you feel
yeah.
कि yes, it's normal to be scared. Let's just go past it. डर सभी को लगता है, गला सबका सूखता है,
हाँ, गला सबका सूखता
बट
है।
डर के आगे जीत
सो
है,
ट्रू।
या राइट। सो डर तो सभी को लगता है। द मोमेंट यू एक्सेप्ट इट, दैट्स व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप कि ओके, अच्छा डर तो लगता है, सबकी सभी को लगता है, लेट्स ट्राई एंड डू व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप हियर। सो इन व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग, आई थिंक दैट हेल्प्स, एक्नॉलेजिंग इट कि भाई डर तो लगता ही है।
Yeah, yeah, so true. I feel you should fear a man who's consistent because eventually that person will outwork you.
बिल्कुल करेक्ट है,
Because that
बिल्कुल
is what
ट्रू।
I've been doing.
या दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू, मतलब स्पीकिंग अबाउट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, कमिंग बैक तो जैसे मैंने कहा, स्टेज टाइम प्रैक्टिस, द मोर, जितनी ज्यादा कंसिस्टेंसी है उतना ही ज्यादा आपको फ्लो एक्सपीरियंस होता है व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑन स्टेज और एंगेज विद एन ऑडियंस। तो एंड द मोमेंट यू आर यू नो देयर इज अ गैप, क्या बहुत टाइम हो गया एंड देयर हैज नॉट बीन अ कॉन्वर्सेशन, आपको
Correct.
इमीडिएटली लाइक अ म्यूजिशियन, मतलब आपको पता चल जाएगा, अरे देयर इज समथिंग मिसिंग इन माय फ्लो, राइट? सो कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की टू एवरीथिंग, मतलब टू बी एबल टू
Yeah,
आई थिंक एवरी
yeah.
फील्ड, एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
I
एस्पेक्ट। या
Yeah, I just keep challenging myself all out. मतलब पता नहीं मैं people will call me crazy, like booking this mental talkies or doing stand up or doing something crazy, but it gives me that edge on people that never even try or think about it,
हम्म
right? Like
हम्म
if I go back and think about this कि मैंने content creation, so I grew to whatever followers I have from 0 to 40,000
Oh,
in span of
wonderful.
6 months. ठीक
Wonderful
है?
that is, yeah.
And actually 3 months, right? And people don't understand it. If you go back to my post, जो 2 साल से पोस्ट कर रहे हैं ना, उनसे ज्यादा पोस्ट किया है मैंने पिछले 3-4 महीने
How will it
में।
because that's how you stay interested also in the game. Otherwise आप रोज वही सेम, अगर हम परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हैं तो then you tend to lose interest in whatever you're doing, right? So you get better, your learning curve has to be it has to go keep growing, it has to get steeper.
So true.
The moment it becomes like a straight line, it doesn't make your heart beat anymore. So that's how
Yeah,
that's how, I mean, everything works वैसा ही। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप अपनी ही चीज को, डिफिकल्ट भी बहुत है क्योंकि अपने आप अपना ही बनाया हुआ कंटेंट अगर आप देख कर उसको बोलते हैं कि ओके, व्हाट डू, हाउ डू आई मेक इट बेटर, व्हाट्स
hmm,
रेजोनेटिंग विद पीपल, व्हाट्स नॉट, व्हाट्स क्लिकिंग विथ मी इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस। ऑडियंस के
so
साथ
true.
तब क्लिक करेगा जब मेरे साथ पहले क्लिक करता है। सो इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट मेकिंग इट फॉर पीपल, क्योंकि हम नंबर गेम खेलने लगते हैं। तो
Hmm,
all of that happening, it makes the individual you are, right? So I think it's a part of every journey, and it's very important, very critical
yeah,
to be able to reflect, see what you've done, which what is going well, and what can be changed, and what can be done better. We may fail, falter, but I believe we learn from those mistakes, and then we make more mistakes to learn from, and then we get better. I think that's how it works. I mean,
yeah.
मतलब मैंने तो कई
I,
बार
I,
ऐसे
I feel,
uh, uh, so if I can tell you, मतलब if I speak
yeah, yeah.
about my experiences at speaking on stage, I've experimented with a lot of techniques. कई बार ऐसे
Okay.
फेल भी हुई हूँ मैं। सो देन यू कम बैक एंड देन
Hmm.
यू रिफ्लेक्ट एंड देन यू फील कि ओके, ये नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं करना है। सो you create a work around कि भाई नहीं, if not this then this, if not this then this is what is working. So that's how you grow. Yeah,
I feel मैं इसको एक लाइन में समराइज करूंगा. It's like think long term, act short term.
yeah,
That's how
absolutely,
you
yeah,
control.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely, आपके मतलब
है ना? When
शॉर्ट टर्म आपके एक्शंस आपके लॉन्ग टर्म से अलाइंड अलाइन कर पाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। बट देन
exactly.
बट देन इट्स ओनली व्हेन यू फोर्स योरसेल्फ टू थिंक अबाउट दैट, इज व्हेन यू एटलीस्ट मेक एन एफर्ट कि हम जो आज कर रहे हैं वो कितना मेरे गोल के साथ अलाइंड है, अदरवाइज वी टेंड टू लूज ट्रैक ऑफ व्हाट द प्रोग्रेस इज, राइट? सो या।
आई फील लाइक मैं यहाँ पे ना एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बोलना चाहूँगा, सिंस यू मैंशनड अ बिट अबाउट फेलियर ना, कि जैसे स्टेज पे देर आर सो मेनी इंस्टेंसेस लाइक कि जहाँ पे आप फेल हुए हो, मैं फेल हुआ हूँ, राइट? वी माइट हैव नॉट परफॉर्म एट द लेवल दैट वी थॉट. सो आई गिव यू एग्जांपल, लाइक आई एम अ लाइक सिंगर, बट जब मैं कॉलेज के फाइनल ईयर के फेस्ट में परफॉर्म कर रहा था, मुझे पता ही नहीं मेरा माइक बंद है.
ओह।
देयर वाज सम टेक्निकल ग्लिच. इट वाज वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग, वेरी ऑकवर्ड.
ओह
और मैं गाए
गुडनेस।
जा रहा हूँ अपना
या
और
या।
फिर सडनली माइक चालू भी हो गया.
आ,
बट नाउ आई वाज ओवर कंपनसेटिंग फॉर इट. सो लाइक आई
ओह,
वाज लिटरली शाउटिंग,
या, गॉट इट।
बिकॉज अब वो मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा ना. सो व्हेन
आ,
आई केम ऑफ,
आ,
then I realized, and I was seeing the audience and I was thinking कुछ तो
कुछ तो
गड़बड़ है,
है।
because I could not listen.
या।
And there is something called as monitor, जो मुझे उस टाइम पे नहीं पता था,
हम्म।
because I was still learning doing stage performances. At least in space of singing on stage is very different. So you have monitors जो आपको अपनी आवाज का feedback देते हैं.
हम्म।
Like you must have seen singers के कान में एक चीज
हम्म।
होती है, right?
हम्म।
So if you don't have a monitor in your
हम्म।
ear, you cannot listen to what
व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन।
kind of a
या।
voice are you.
या।
uh, या और अगर वो भी नहीं है तो देयर इज अ स्पीकर जो
हम्म।
आपकी तरफ आवाज भेजता है, जो
हम्म।
स्टेज के सामने होते हैं. देयर इज
हम्म।
टू स्पीकर, दोस आर
हम्म।
कॉल्ड मॉनिटर्स.
हम्म।
अगर आपके पास हेडफोन्स भी नहीं है तो
हम्म।
ओल्ड डेज के अंदर इन ईयर मॉनिटर्स नहीं होते थे,
हम्म।
अब हो गए हैं.
हम्म।
सो आई हैड नो क्लू.
हम्म।
And when I was like, audience is not reacting in the way that they
यू
should be, like
एक्सपेक्टिंग,
listening
या
to a song,
या
right?
या
uh,
या हो क्या रहा
yeah,
है,
yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
आई एम
And I was
एंजॉयिंग
so
इट, मैं तो गा रहा हूँ
sad.
मजे से, सामने से
हाँ,
रिस्पॉन्स क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
मैं तो गा रहा हूँ. तो सी आई व्हेन आई केम डाउन आई रियलाइज, ओके ये है. मुझे फीलिंग तो आ गई थी कि समथिंग
हम्म।
वेंट बैड. एंड जब मैं आया तब, सी नॉर्मली यू एक्सपेक्ट पीपल टू से समथिंग अबाउट योर परफॉर्मेंस, गुड बैड, राइट?
हम्म।
यहाँ पे ऐसा था सन्नाटा.
ओ।
बंद हो जा भाई, लाइक, बिकॉज बिकॉज इट
बिकॉज दे वर
देयर
नॉट
वाज अ
एबल टू
टेक्निकल
हियर,
ग्लिच, राइट?
या।
Yeah,
हम्म।
yeah, yeah, yeah. And and so when I came, it will impact your confidence in that
हम्म।
way. But luckily, I never let that keep me ki theek hai.
हम्म।
I realized कि it was not my
या,
in my control.
एब्सोल्युटली।
Firstly, and if I would have been in audience, then मुझे भी वही feeling आती ना.
हम्म।
See,
हम्म।
if I go to a concert और concert पे कोई singer आ गया और उसका mic बंद हो गया या suddenly उसका
स्टार्ट।
mic चालू हो गया और वो
हाँ।
चिल्लाने लग गया,
हाँ।
है ना? तो वो उसका, see, it was a error of that guy जो
हम्म।
भी handle कर रहा था,
हम्म।
the DJ or
हम्म।
whatever it is,
हम्म।
college stuff. But that is something I learned from Abdul Kalam. You cannot change the outcome sometimes.
Yeah, you cannot.
You just have
True
to
that.
deal with it,
Yeah. True that. And learn from it.
right? So
Yeah.
क्या
And
I
move on.
I rather than sobbing about it, I chose
Yeah.
कि भाई अगली बार मैं जाऊंगा ना तो पहले
माइक टेक्स्ट
चेक
करूँगा।
करूंगा भाई, माइक चेक.
आज भी किया हमने। टू।
करेक्ट. सो
आज भी
इट्स
किया।
लाइक
ओके।
ये ना हो, ये ना
हाँ,
होगा दोबारा.
हाँ।
तो see, you always learn from bad experiences. You
Yeah.
don't learn from good
Yeah,
experiences. I'll
absolutely.
tell you very honestly. Like,
मतलब आई बिलीव फेलियर्स आर मतलब अंडररेटेड, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है, मतलब दे शुड बी अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ एवरीवन्स जर्नी। मतलब दैट्स हाउ यू, मतलब सक्सेस कैन नेवर हैपन if it is what do you call it, if it is a overnight success,
I'll
and
tell you
if it
something
is,
interesting.
it just happened by lottery, so then that means it is a success that cannot be sustained. If matlab,
Yeah.
unless you know what's gone behind creating that success, you cannot sustain it.
नहीं, नहीं, आई टोटली एग्री. मेरा ना इस पे एक इंटरेस्टिंग टेक और है यहाँ पे सक्सेस के ऊपर.
Hmm.
मैं तो बोलता हूँ फेलियर और सक्सेस में कोई डिफरेंस ही नहीं है.
Hmm.
आई टेल पीपल फेलियर इज इक्वल टू सक्सेस,
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
you cannot succeed without failing.
Yeah.
So failure is actually the process to succeed.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's not the opposite.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's not the opposite.
Absolutely.
But people are taught
Yeah.
people are taught that if you are failing, you are not progressing. But
True.
that exactly the opposite of truth. If you are
Absolutely.
failing, you are progressing.
Yeah,
My
absolutely.
30 videos bunged. 5 years of my content creation bunged, but I was not failing. I was getting better and better and better at the craft.
Right.
And when I was adequately better, वो थ्रेशोल्ड, वो एस्केप वेलोसिटी जब आती है तभी रॉकेट उड़ता है,
बिल्कुल,
वरना वो नीचे वापस आके गिरने
बिल्कुल।
वाला
बट
है.
इट्स
राइट?
आल्सो
यू नीड टू
इम्पोर्टेंट,
रीच दैट एस्केप वेलोसिटी.
इट्स आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, जैसे आपने कहा कि फेलियर्स के बाद सक्सेस आता है, तो आई आल्सो बिलीव कि फेलियर्स को समझ के उनको स्मॉल इम्प्रूवमेंट्स करने के बाद सक्सेस, जैसे आपने कहा कि यू रिफ्लेक्टेड आप रिफ्लेक्ट करते थे, यू यूज्ड टू ट्राई एंड सी व्हाट कुड यू डू बेटर, व्हाट कुड बी चेंज्ड, एंड दैट इज हाउ सक्सेस हैपेंड. सो आई बिलीव कि फेलियर इज इनएविटेबल, but then to be able to reach whatever, no, मतलब आप success, when so success, मैंने आपको mention भी किया था, मेरी coach जो है अदिति सुराना, she mentioned this, success is, आप डिफाइन अगर करते हैं क्योंकि दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू अचीव इन अ सर्टेन, अदरवाइज आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं, राइट? So, like you said, success and failure, they are the same. But then, if I want to achieve a certain, um, you know, maybe a benchmark, or you
गोल।
want to attain
या
something, you define it. Okay, only if you are defining it, it's very clear to you. There's a lot of clarity in what you want to achieve, and then there's
श्योर।
failure happening, right? Failure ho gaya. Now you know your goal because it's very clear. You're focused, sharp, matlab sharp vision hai. You keep making those corrective, you take those corrective measures, and then you attain a certain goal that you had thought of. And then that's how you know that, okay, this is a success. Okay. If you don't
सो ट्रू।
define that, we just don't know
या
where
या
we are going, right? Because if, like you said, हमारा larger goal जो है, उसके साथ हम हमारे आज के actions को align करना
करेक्ट।
चाहते हैं, तो we take those baby steps to reach there, right? अगर मुझे यहाँ से दिल्ली से मुझे गुड़गांव से दिल्ली जाना है, but if I'm, walking, I'm making progress, but I still need to use a GPS to ensure that I'm taking the right turn,
करेक्ट।
that,
करेक्ट।
yeah.
करेक्ट।
So I think it's very important
या आई डेफिनेटली
to
एग्री।
be
या
able to take those
या
corrective
डायरेक्शन इज सो
measures,
इम्पोर्टेंट।
yeah, every single time. कई बार ऐसा होता है, we take failures to heart and then हम नहीं लेते हैं वो steps.
आई थिंक इफ यू विन योर डे यू विन योर लाइफ। द
Yeah,
पॉइंट इज टू
yeah,
विन योर डे।
yeah, 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 true that. True that. And sometimes you
Yeah,
don't.
and it has been very interesting.
Yeah, sometimes you don't. But then you win in a different way, because you win when you feel
So true.
that, okay, this didn't go well for me today, but then what am I going to do about it? So you will still win. Yeah. So the next day
Hmm.
is going to be a
See,
different mindset when you look back at the same thing.
so
Yeah,
true, so true. I feel everything has a, you know, पर्पस टू प्ले इन योर लाइफ। मतलब
absolutely.
ऐसा नहीं होता कि हमारा जो बेंचमार्क होता है ना कि सी प्रोडक्टिविटी इज ना वेरी ट्रिकी टू अंडरस्टैंड।
Hmm.
We normally relate productivity to get like more number of work done per unit time. It is not always like that.
Hmm.
Sometimes the productivity can just be you disconnecting from the entire world and giving yourself time to replenish,
Hmm.
because then you can work 3 months
Hmm.
more beneficial than what you could have done,
True.
right? हमारा, see, I feel it's a double edged sword
Hmm.
when you are a relentless, और ये मैंने खुद ने भी फील किया है, so I am a guy who is like who cannot stay static.
Hmm.
तो मैं ये खुद में stillness ला रहा हूँ कि you also need to realize, नीरज, कि किसी दिन के अंदर वो बेंचमार्क अचीव नहीं होगा जो तुम्हारा हाईएस्ट बेंचमार्क है, राइट? वी ट्राई टू मेजर एवरी डे विद द बेस्ट डे ऑफ आवर लाइफ,
Hmm.
which will never happen.
Hmm.
Your life cannot be your one best day,
Hmm.
राइट? बट देन इट हिट्स योर मेंटल हेल्थ कि यार इस दिन तो मैंने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर दिया था, आज तो मैंने उसके हिसाब से 10% भी नहीं किया,
Hmm. Hmm.
राइट?
Hmm.
यू नीड टू लेट योर सेल्फ गो समटाइम्स
Hmm.
कि ठीक है, दैट वॉज अ डिफरेंट डे, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट डे, एंड देर आर different environment to play as well,
True that.
right? So we are caught up in a लूप लाइक अ हैमस्टर व्हील कि हर बार मुझे 90% परफॉर्म करना है, लाइक सेम
Hmm.
विद सचिन तेंदुलकर और एनी एथलीट। वो
Hmm.
आई नो दैट बिकॉज when I have gone, I am a guy who reads so much of biographies and so much of interviews of this high performing people or people who just excite me, and I've studied them like anything. And when I study them, I understand इस टाइम पे इस बंदे ने क्या डिसीजन लिया, इस टाइम पे इसका क्या था। लाइक when you see these people, they might have achieved what world thinks is like, oh आपने क्या कर दिया, ये तो मतलब भगवान वाला काम हो गया, right? And for them the next day is sad.
Hmm.
If you're not
Hmm.
successful, you're happy. A lot of time people think कि successful होने के बाद happiness मिलेगी।
Hmm. Hmm. Right.
That's not, the end game, and
Right.
then they become sad.
Yeah.
I thought I will earn $1 billion, I'll be happy.
Right.
It doesn't turn out that way.
Right. This reminds me of, I was listening to Hrithik Roshan's interview. So he said the same thing. कि when we were younger, when he was younger, he thought कि अच्छा fame मिल जाएगा, ये मिल जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, तो I'll be happy. But then
Hmm.
we later realize कि ऐसा नहीं होता. What makes you happy is
So
is
true.
a different set of things that are always there for you. Your family, those little moments. I think even a cup of coffee, your meditation time. I think those are the things
Yeah.
that make you happy. Um, Happiness is also relative, but yeah, I mean, uh, I think what you're saying is right. Is true for most people. कि success उनको लगता है कि अच्छा ये हो जाएगा, then we'll be happy. And
It's
then
after something.
and then yeah, after something. And then once that thing happens, and then you don't know what to do. And then you're suddenly कि अच्छा अब now what? So it becomes very difficult to be able to tell yourself कि अच्छा अब ये तो मिल गया, अब I'm still not feeling happy. What do I do about it?
मैं एक कंट्रोवर्शियल लाइन बोलूंगा यहाँ पे कि
Oh,
आई नेवर वांट टू अचीव द पीक ऑफ माय लाइफ. ठीक है, आई टेल यू व्हाई. बिकॉज वंस यू अचीव द पीक ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू कैन ओनली कम डाउन.
absolutely. I one of my friends also said the same thing. So matlab, it's always like,
या
you want to be you want to think that okay,
चेस.
yeah, the best is yet to come. I'm
या
being better.
या
But I still believe, it's always possible to be a better version of yourself. So that's like an ongoing
सो ट्रू.
journey. So I know, yes, peaks do come. And it's very difficult to be able to balance everything. But yes, I still believe that, it's an ongoing journey. It's a process, and it'll keep going. Yeah.
या अग्रीड, अग्रीड, अग्रीड. सो कमिंग, हमने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस कर ली यहाँ पे.
Life की
इन द एंड आई वुड
बातें.
जस्ट से दैट लव द प्रोसेस.
Yeah.
हाँ, लाइक मतलब just love the process. I feel like I've been somebody who loves the process of challenging himself then growing out, because I मेरे लिए outcome पता है क्या है? It's not achieving the goal. It's achieving me who is capable of not doing it multiple times. करने मतलब अचीव करने के लिए मुझे एक बार करना है. But now since I've learned that process,
Mm.
I have become somebody who is at that skill to do it multiple times.
True.
ठीक है, मैंने एक बार गिटार बजाना सीख लिया, वो मेरे लिए एक प्रोसेस था, डिफिकल्ट प्रोसेस था. अब मैं पियानो सीख रहा हूँ. एक बार मैंने पियानो बजाना सीख लिया, राइट? दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव एक्वायर्ड नाउ,
Hmm. Hmm.
एंड
True
दैट विल
that.
स्टे विद मी,
Yeah, yeah, true that.
राइट?
Just
नाउ आई एम
you're building your
इनटू
skill
द
set
हंट ऑफ अदर
basically. मतलब
प्रोसेस.
आप अपना ऐसे वो खजाना भर रहे हो. मतलब you're just making sure that you have lot of treasure in your treasure box, right? All of these are skills that we
या
cherish them. कि अच्छा ये भी like jewels हम अपना वो treasure box बनाते हैं. वैसी वाली feeling आती है मुझे तो कई बार when we do that. कि अच्छा ये
आई चेरिश माई सेल्फ
yeah.
at the end of
What a
the things,
wonderful thought.
because that is what I've
Yeah,
learned.
yeah, wonderful thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that is what true goal is for me. मतलब जब मेरे को लोग पूछते हैं ना कि now you have like X amount of followers or X amount of this thing or you can do this, a lot of time people get very intimidated because I can do multiple things, but what they don't see is key to become what I am today, how much I would have put when I had nothing of them, right? Like relentlessly learning, 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 learning. I think the best thing you can do in life is to be a student always,
Yeah, true that.
right? If you can have that adaptability of being a student, you can conquer anything.
Mm.
And for me, it's never the skill that I'm trying to learn, it's the person that I'm trying to be
Become. Mm.
who can do that skill.
Mm.
यस. तो वो नीरज मुझे एक्साइट करता है कि हाँ, अगर नीरज ने चलो कल 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर हिट कर दिया, तो वो नीरज कैसा होगा,
Mm.
लाइक ही इज एबल टू डू दैट,
Yeah, yeah.
राइट? और यू नो, हेल्पिंग समबडी डू समथिंग, किसी को मैंने आज आई एम एबल टू एम्प्लॉय समबडी, ठीक है, दिस इज अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर मी. मतलब मैं उस स्किल सेट पे आ गया हूँ कि आई एम एबल टू एम्प्लॉय समवन.
Mm. Mm.
You
Mm.
understand?
Mm.
So that is what you unlock. the
I know, I
the
know.
gift is you
Yeah,
that
true.
you're giving yourself.
True that. मतलब it's like a game of
Keep that as your
कि
aim.
नेक्स्ट लेवल नेक्स्ट लेवल
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट लेवल नेक्स्ट लेवल. एंड आजकल जो गेम्स है
Yeah.
इनिशियली तो ऐसे गेम्स होते थे जो खत्म होते थे आफ्टर 100 लेवल्स और समथिंग. नाउ तो मतलब आई थिंक दे कीप हैपनिंग. मतलब इट्स लाइक लाइफ. आपका नेक्स्ट लेवल, यू हैव टू कीप अनलॉकिंग इट टू बी एबल टू यू नो be in the game, right? Otherwise, so that,
सो
yeah.
आई वांना आई वांट टू कम बैक टू पब्लिक स्पीकिंग। अब हमने इतनी सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस कर ली, कैसे आपको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर सकते हो आप, कैसे आपको स्टेज फियर से ओवरकम करना है, कब कभी अगर आपने गूफ अप कर दिया तो आपको रिकवर कैसे करना है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ माइंडसेट यू शुड हैव, हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस इट, उसके भी हैक्स बता दिए। आई वांट टू गो बैक टू लास्ट टू क्वेश्चंस ऑन पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज दैट हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग प्लेसेस वेर आई कैन स्पीक। लाइक आई नो कि बहुत सारे जैन लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि जहाँ पे मुझे लाइक माइंडेड पीपल भी मिल जाए। एक होता है ना कि लोगों को थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल स्पेस चाहिए होता है कि मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, देन आई स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग माई ओन पोर्टफोलियो एज अ स्पीकर। यू कैन शेयर योर जर्नी
Hmm.
इन अ ब्रीफ थिंग कि हाँ मैंने स्टार्टिंग स्टार्टिंग में यहाँ पे स्पीच दी है, यहाँ से मुझे पता चला कि ओके दिस इज माई टॉपिक, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम क्लैरिटी नहीं होती है। यू बिल्ड इट अलॉन्ग द वे विच इज फाइन,
Hmm.
बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू लाइक हाउ अ पर्सन कैन डू दैट।
Hmm. So I'll share my journey. जैसे मैंने बताया, I started very young. तो I used to speak. अब interestingly, look at it like this. I used to represent my school and college at various state level competitions. Uh, I have been a Times of India winner for my college. तो होता क्या था कि I'm representing my school, my institution, my alma mater at a state level, at a district level. तो हमारे ट्रेनिंग सेशंस भी होते थे, so you will not believe कि even for inter school competitions, I'm a convent school student. तो जो सिस्टर होती थी, जो someone used to be the head of this the cultural activities department, and they used to be very particular about which student is going to represent our school. And they used to get special permission for me to be able to come out of class, and I used to go to the chapel, and I have only one person, sister, looking at me with two eyes, अच्छे ऐसे, penetrating into my eyes, and I have to, and I used to practice in front of her. Okay, that was one. So, and to the extent, एकदम ऐसे, you won't believe, I was very fast when I was younger. मैं ऐसे फट 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 I used to write, you end up writing longer
या
speeches, नहीं? तो ऐसे slow down, slow down,
लिख दिया, लिख दिया, लिख
slow
दिया।
down,
या
slow down, slow down. So I used to be a very fast speaker. Okay, and then I I've lost count. I don't know how many times I've spoken in front of an audience. I used to go in each class. हर class में ले जाती थी मुझे. अच्छा, every class. Okay, she's preparing for a competition and she's going to speak in front of you. Okay, and I have practiced my pace, timing, um, voice modulation, pronunciation. I remember I used to have this very bad habit of mispronouncing a word, opportunity. Okay, very interesting story
ओके।
this is. मैं opportunity बोलती जा रही हूँ बहुत, and whenever I say opportunity, sister would say opportunity, and I just and the punishment used to be, अच्छा वापस से speech start करो, start very beginning,
रीस्टार्ट।
yeah, restart. And I was like, "Ah, sister," and then I used to restart. Can you believe? So that, जैसे हमने वो दंगल मूवीज में ऐसे देखा है ना कि ऐसे रिगरस ट्रेनिंग हो रही है,
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ।
imagine that kind of
हुँ, हुँ,
training
हुँ, हुँ।
happening. I'm going and speaking in front of each and every
आई
class.
कैन इमेजिन इट एक्चुअली।
Pronunciation, pace, slow down. If I'm not slowing down, I'll have to restart. So it was not as simple or as light as it sounds. It used to be a big deal. Okay, and I have done all of those training sessions. I still remember the sisters who've helped me, and I'm so thankful to them. They've helped me in my pronunciation, my diction. Galat word pronounce kar diya to restart. So that made me, I habit हो गई मेरी कि if I'm using a new word, I make it a point to look
हुँ,
it up in the dictionary or to look it up on Google. How is it pronounced? So that I don't
करेक्ट।
mispronounce it when I'm speaking in front of an audience. So how did that come? It came because I had to restart if I mispronounce a word, right? So coming back to your question, to be able to practice. in front of a known crowd. Aapke friends is the first, your family is the first crowd. Okay, you make your family sit down and tell them to listen to you when you're speaking. Okay, before that, so the first, I tell people to record themselves. Okay, when I have those training sessions, I
Hmm.
tell people, record yourself when you're talking. Okay, and then you look at the recording and you f- understand your gestures, see if you're doing the right eye contact, see if you're smiling enough, see if you are, your posture is correct, see if your gestures are okay, and then keep improving yourself. Because see, there's nobody to look at you. Okay, मतलब आप record कर रहे हो empty room में. I
Hmm.
sometimes use the mirror. Okay, it's difficult for people to use the mirror sometimes because they're looking at themselves when they're speaking.
Hmm. 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 Correct,
So
correct.
it works for some people, it doesn't work for some people. But I do that as well. I look at myself in the mirror when I'm talking, and that's how I practice my gestures, my smile, my postures, everything. Okay, it starts from there.
Yeah.
You have your family. The next step is family. You have friends. The next step is friends. You bring them to. You can take feedback. Okay, you can ask them for feedback because you will know. And when you're talking to an audience, you immediately should be able to read the instant feedback that you're getting. Like you said, when you were
Hmm.
speaking to an audience, you know if they are interested, if they are bored. आप उनकी body language से, उनके smile से, their faces just light up when they have
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So true.
a speaker in front of them whom uh,
Yeah,
you know
yeah. Entertaining
yeah,
them.
yeah.
Yeah.
So be able to read those cues. You start with a set of friends. Okay, and then you take another next step. So to be able to, I do this sometimes. I reach out to NGOs and I tell them, okay, I'm up for, suppose if there is anything that you would want me to, if there are children, I'd be happy to take a session. So I've taken few sessions even in Gurgaon, for Lions Club here. So I that was a storytelling session. I went them and did a little storytelling for them. So you create your own space time. They're children and they loved it.
Wow. Wow.
So
Wow.
and then there are, gradually, because like I said, it's very, there's a lot of anxiety when there's public speaking happening.
क्रिएटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज, या क्रिएटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर योरसेल्फ, जैसे अपने एनजीओ में जाके कर दिया, या अपने इन हाउस फैमिली इवेंट के अंदर यू स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट.
Yeah.
सो बेसिकली यू आर ट्राइंग टू कल्टिवेट एक एनवायरनमेंट जिसमें आप बोल भी पा रहे हो, जिसमें आपका फियर भी निकल रहा है,
G.
जिसमें आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी हो
Yes.
रही है.
Yes.
एंड
And then you
आई फील
take
लाइक एज यू मैंशनड.
and then you take that journey to the next level.
Got it. Got
Mm.
it. I feel like basically what you're trying to tell is like you can use this skill and add it to some other skill and make a different entire new structure out of it. Like चाहे वो ट्रेनिंग में हो गया, आपको स्पीकिंग स्किल्स चाहिए, चाहे आप एक फाउंडर हो, चाहे आप एक सेल्स पर्सन हो. इवन अ सेल्स guy has to be very good speaker, right? If he
Storyteller,
cannot listen, if he
speaker,
cannot
yes, all of, yes,
storyteller,
yes,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, so many skills. Corporate training is in demand, and because I have also seen a lot of people doing that, right?
Mm.
So if somebody has trained enough and he's an expert in a particular subject, right? So if you can share, like, how can सच काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन रीच आउट, लाइक इज इट थ्रू लिंक्डइन, कि आप लिंक्डइन से अपने एक प्रोफाइल क्रिएट कर लिया, पोर्टफोलियो क्रिएट कर लिया, यू आर अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट ऑन मे बी सेल्स और मे बी increasing the productivity of the team, communications of the team, right? So how does this person sort of crack that deal in initial stage? Can you share any insights on that?
Right. So, like I said, if someone is an expert on something, on a particular topic, right? So you might have seen many people organize webinars. They speak on that. They
Hmm.
talk about that. They create videos. Aajkal, because social media
I
platforms.
like this.
Yeah, social media platforms hai. Uh, and it's very, as compared to the earlier times, it's easier to be able to showcase the potential that you have.
Your skill set.
Yeah, right. So when you keep talking, so it's not, I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say that it's a great idea to tell people directly that, see, I'm a great speaker. Why don't you call me over? Right. It's it's
Hmm.
always about engaging with your own expertise. ठीक है? For
So true.
instance, you're on Instagram. Why not keep telling people about the expertise that you have? So every every person who's an expert is also a problem solver, and that's why he's an expert, right?
So true.
So when this person knows what is that problem statement that the audience is listening to, right? Audience ka kya problem statement
Hmm.
hoga, that is when he or she comes up with what is it that I need to tell these people.
I feel you answered it very beautifully. I'll tell you why. Because people think of it in the wrong way. बहुत बार कैसा होता है ना कि um, हम क्रेडिबिलिटी बनाने से पहले ही रिजल्ट
Yeah,
चाहते हैं,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
यू नो, है ना? आप जैसे, as you said, like, you have so many options to build your portfolio through social media, through doing gigs in your known personalities, right? आप धीरे 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 कर रहे हो. I feel like rather than chasing opportunities, you can become somebody who's most worthy of that opportunity.
बिल्कुल,
मतलब वो सबसे ज्यादा वर्दी है उस
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
अपॉर्चुनिटी का,
So that will
है ना? मतलब you
yeah.
yeah, that will happen
That'll
with time,
happen with time.
exactly as you
Yeah,
said,
that'll happen
that
with time. So
that will happen
the
with time,
focus
that
should
will
be
happen with time.
on building that skill set and, marinating yourself in that, loving it, and, keeping that love affair on and doing everything possible to be able to enjoy that. एंड जो वो
Hmm.
प्रोजेक्शन है वो तो हो ही रहा है. देयर विल बी अ टाइम व्हेन देयर विल बी अ सेट ऑफ पीपल हु वुड से कि ये जो मैजिक आप क्रिएट करते हो हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे, हमें भी इसका पार्ट बनना है. सो प्लीज कुड यू कम ओवर एंड स्पीक अ फ्यू वर्ड्स एंड
Hmm.
please allow us to be a
So
part
true.
of it. So I think that will happen, but it's a journey.
Yeah, yeah. I feel people don't realize that nobody can replace themselves.
Yeah, absolutely.
When you go as a speaker, only you can go as a speaker, right? Nobody else can be Jyoti. Nobody can speak the way Neeraj does, right? Only you speak the way you do,
Yeah, true that.
and people often underestimated that fact,
Hmm.
है ना? They try to impersonate like everybody around them. कि
Hmm.
मैं चलो इसकी तरह बोलता हूँ, मैं उसकी तरह बोलता हूँ. I
Hmm.
try to be more humorous.
Hmm.
Where see, I am a person who is very sarcastic. ठीक है, तो जैसे मैं ये stand up की बात सोच रहा था, because it's something very natural to me. I'll tell you, because to be witty is also a skill set.
Hmm.
यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दैट. आपको
Hmm.
फीडबैक आता है, आप जनरली, मैं ऑब्जर्व करता रहता हूँ कि अच्छा ठीक है, मैंने अगर ये सार्केज्म में बोल दिया तो ये जनरली सब पे चल रहा है क्या?
Hmm.
आई हैव ऑब्जर्व दिस कि
Hmm.
ये सार्केज्म इस एज ग्रुप
Hmm.
पे नहीं चला, इस पे
Hmm.
चल गया.
Yeah, true.
So it is the
Yeah,
observation.
yeah,
It is the observation. So when
yeah.
I went there, I knew कि ये target crowd क्या है. So मैंने
Hmm.
title भी उस हिसाब से decide किया.
Hmm.
Because the group that I went through were like of a like-minded people जिनको growth चाहिए, जो इन सब
Hmm.
चीज़ों में believe करते हैं, right?
Hmm.
Subconscious
Hmm.
mind and everything. So they would relate to it. If I go to some place जहाँ पे सिर्फ addicts आ रहे हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा. कोई नहीं हंसने वाला
Absolutely,
subconscious mind
absolutely,
or the
absolutely.
person
मतलब
title के ऊपर है,
you
right?
have to somewhere understand कि अच्छा कहाँ पे मुझे मैच करना है ऑडियंस के
Correct.
वेवलेंथ के साथ. सो अगर वो वेवलेंथ मैच नहीं हुआ,
So
तो
true.
देन आप जो बोल रहे हैं या जो भी आप एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो इट विल नॉट वर्क. मतलब यू वुड वांट कि अच्छा मैंने अगर यहाँ पे आके कोई समा बांधने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, बट इट्स लाइक कि जैज म्यूजिक है, समा बांधने की कोशिश कर रहा है, देयर समबडी हु इज नॉट लाइकिंग जैज म्यूजिक एट ऑल, तो वो समा बंधेगा ही नहीं, राइट? इट्स लाइक दैट. सो टू बी एबल टू
So true.
अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या चॉइस है, मतलब व्हाट इज इट दैट द ऑडियंस वांट्स, क्या प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है उनका, क्या पीड़ा है, क्या पेन है, क्या सुनना चाहते हैं, व्हाट इज इट दैट दे वांट, एंड एम आई able to create that for them? Am I able to engage with them? Am I able to have a conversation? It's more about public speaking. लगता है ऐसा है कि it is a monologue, one person speaking and the other person at the receiving end. नहीं,
Hmm.
it is a conversation. Whether or not they are
It
speaking,
is.
because they are responding in a way. They might ask questions, they may nod their heads, they may do a certain gestures that you would know, okay, yes, they are resonating with what you're saying. It's an experience that you're creating, एक flow up अपने लिए भी खुद क्रिएट करते हैं और सबको उस फ्लो में लेके आते हैं। सो इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस। सो अनलेस एंड
हुँ।
अनटिल आप सेम वेवलेंथ पे हैं, वो क्रिएट नहीं हो पाएगा।
Yeah, I'll give you my summarization of this, and my take on this is that कि पब्लिक का प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट वो है जो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है.
हम्म।
The problem statement that you have is exactly the problem statement that is the right audience for you.
हम्म।
Because when I'm giving you this from what I have realized creating content.
हम्म।
Because when you create for everyone, you create for no one.
हम्म।
But when I started creating for
ट्रू
myself
दैट।
is when I started creating for all the Neeraj out
ट्रू
there.
दैट। ट्रू
ऐसे
दैट।
लोग जिनको ग्रोथ पसंद
ट्रू दैट।
है ना? तो ऑडियंस कभी कभी आप हम ये नहीं देखते कि यार मैं अपने लिए क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. लेट्स सॉल्व माई प्रॉब्लम. Everybody out there who has the same problem is my audience,
हम्म। हम्म।
and how accurately I can solve that,
हम्म।
उसकी स्ट्रेंथ मेरे पास तब आती है जितना मैं खुद में इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
हम्म।
सो इफ आई एम somebody who's being judged, then I know how I am feeling, like किसी को कैसा फील होगा when he's being judged,
हम्म।
right? Then if I'm speaking that part कि how do you deal with that, how do you mentally
हम्म।
handle that, how do you focus on your task at hand, right?
हम्म।
जो भी बंदा उससे एग्जैक्टली जा रहा होगा ना, और मैं जितना डिटेल में उस पेन पॉइंट को डिस्क्राइब कर पाऊंगा, आई विल बिकम द सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट फॉर दैट पर्सन.
ट्रू दैट। ट्रू दैट। आई।
So just become,
हम्म।
like, just become sub expert for yourself. You are expert for everyone else around you.
Yeah, true that. बट जैसे जस्ट टू ऐड टू दिस हियर, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि वी आर इनवाइटेड टू स्पीक ऑन अ सर्टेन टॉपिक, राइट? तो हमें बिफोर हैंड पता होता है कि हमें इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे बोलना है, एंड दैट कुड बी अ टेक्निकल टॉपिक, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम बहुत ही एक टेक्निकल टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे हैं। इन दैट केस, what we need to do is, to be able to, we need to gauge what's happening. So एक structure, बहुत important होता है कि I always say this, जो भी content, आप content बोल लीजिए या एक मतलब एक speech बोल दो या presentation बोल दीजिए, whatever you call it. I always say it comprises of three sections. Okay, one is the initiation, the other is the crux, and the third is the conclusion. अब आपने ये तीन, अब there are various formats, various structures that people use when they speak. Okay, it could be like, okay, what is the problem statement? What is the problem statement? What is the solution? And what are the benefits? So three segments, right? This is one structure. The one that I use is initiation of any conversation, the crux of the matter. You go deeper into the topic
Hmm.
that you're talking about, and the third is how do you conclude it. Now, this structure is a generic one that can go with any conversation that we can have, right? So कई बार जब
Got
हम
it.
फॉर्मल सेटिंग में जाते हैं जहाँ टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स पे हमें बोलना है, राइट? देन giving a structure to your speech makes it easy for the audiences to digest difficult information, right? We tell what is it about, and then we go deeper into, okay, let's break this down for you a little bit, and then we
Hmm.
speak about certain myths around that problem, or certain burning questions around that problem, and then we come to a conclusion that, okay, having said all of this, this is what comes out of the entire conversation or the discussion that we had, and this is the takeaway. Okay, so this structure falls uh, perfectly, it fits perfectly well for any conversation that you're going to have, like formal, informal. Structure it in your head,
Hmm.
in your mind. This is what I'm going to talk about. It becomes easier for you to, um, construct what you're going to say, right? It becomes easier to gather your thoughts, in a systematic manner. Otherwise, we don't know.
Yeah, in your mind.
Yeah, yeah. Because otherwise, what will happen is your thoughts are not structured, and it becomes difficult for the audience to understand where the conversation or the flow is
So
going,
true.
right? So I think that is one important aspect that, or a technique that someone can use to be able to, and this goes for even informal conversations, like, suddenly kisi ne bol diya, okay, why don't you give your thoughts on this. So if I have to give give my thoughts on a certain issue, I would just quickly, put it in that structure. What's the issue? What do I feel about it? And what could be the, solution? And who could do it? All of that. So that is a sequence. So, and that makes it crisp,
Yeah.
and that makes it easier for the person to understand. It makes it easier for me to speak about it. Otherwise, your thoughts are all over the place because achanak se ek ask aa gaya. You're not prepared for it. Someone just said, okay,
Mm.
why don't you speak something about it? And when I start speaking, I don't know what to speak because there's no structure. कुछ prepare तो किया नहीं है. There's extemporary. क्या बोलना, कैसे बोलूं? Then quickly your brain, when it knows there's a structure, you fill in those gaps, and then you're ready with even a 5-minute speech, a 10-minute speech, or even a 15-minute speech. It may not be a speech. It could be like a uh, thoughtful delivery of what you're thinking, right? So I think that is one way of uh, creating your content, or being able to speak, structuring it in a way that people can easily understand, when it's not about the things that they can relate to. So when they can relate to it, it's easy for them to absorb, or to relate, but then resonate. But then if not, then how do you ensure that this very tough, this very technical topic is engaging for them? So you break it down, you put some humor, but the broader structure is still in place. And within that structure, you have all the art of public speaking, the speaker that you are. Experiment with humor, with stories, with anecdotes, with inspiring tales from what your experiences. And that's how, that's your space to be able to be the speaker that you are, right? So I think that that can help.
Yeah, I think that is exactly what I did with the stand up thing, because by writing the script, I structured it in my mind ki what I need to deliver, right? This is the joke 1, joke 2,
Yeah,
joke
yeah,
3, first this
yeah.
needs to become. And I even researched it कि ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी इज लाइक कि अगर आपका एंड बहुत अच्छा होता है ना, तो आपका पूरा एक्ट बहुत अच्छा होता है.
True.
So your end joke should be better than your joke
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
whatever you start with. So I placed my best joke at the end. So
Yeah,
if you do subtle things,
true,
you create the impact, and that is exactly what
true.
happened in the video as well. If you see, the end joke was the one, and that it made them feel okay. We ended on the high.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, the act always has to end on the high. Your
Absolutely.
end should be always good.
True that, true that. So it's like this.
So
Uh,
thank you so much.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's like this कि आपका end good है, which is a good. But at the
Hmm.
same time, timing is very important. So अगर आपको 3 minute दिए गए हैं
Yeah,
to be able
true.
to speak, it's always a great idea to be able to finish whatever you want to say in 3 minutes.
I think I'll just summarize it for everyone. Is just grab the attention, structure it in your mind, have the timing in the play, right? It's a mix of everything. I think you have simplified it down to a lot deeper level aspect, और आपने उसके ऊपर aspect भी बता दिया कि ये क्यों ज़रूरी है. Like if the timing is too much, then a person might get bored, even if the act is good.
Yeah.
कि चले ही जा रहा है, चले ही जा रहा है,
चले
चले
जा
ही जा
रहा
रहा
है,
है,
ट्रू।
right? फिर वो सर्कस हो जाता है कि हाँ, वो अपनी बेस्ट एक्ट क्लास में सेव करके रखते हैं कि
हाँ,
हाँ, उड़ने वाला बंदा अब
हाँ,
आएगा,
हाँ।
है ना?
ट्रू, ट्रू,
So
ट्रू, ट्रू।
so that is there.
Yeah,
So I think it was a really lovely conversation. हमने public speaking को पूरा in detail cover किया है. Um, I feel like anybody who watches this video will definitely get the idea of what this skill requires, a
right.
bit about life and a bit about happiness. So
Thank you.
thank you so much once
Thank
again,
you so much.
Jyoti,
Thank you,
for
Neeraj,
being on the podcast,
thank you for
and
inviting
it was a
me.
lot of fun.
Yeah, it was an absolutely wonderful conversation. Thank you so much for inviting me. And it's always fun to talk to you because I see the spark, I see that excitement, the energy, and I really love it. It's very infectious. आप बात करते हैं फोन पे भी हम जब बात करते हैं तो it's very infectious. So I think it really changes the mood that the other person is in. So keep doing this great job.
Thank you so much.
I've seen episodes of Dream with Neeraj, and you talk to people, you bring out the best in. I think you showcase some wonderful angles of the people who come and speak to you. So it's beautiful, and keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great, and thank you so much for having me here. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड ये कैंडिड था, ये प्लांटेड नहीं था। थैंक यू सो मच, और योर वर्ड्स मीन्स अ लॉट, एंड it was a absolute delight to have you, and I'm hopeful that you're back on the show with some different topic, and I know it's gonna be a treat again.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you.
हमारी बस एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप लोगों को ये पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लग रहा है ना और इससे आपकी लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड हो रही है ना, तो इसको एक बंदे के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना। इससे हमें पता चलता है कि हम अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं एंड लोगों को उसी काम का बेनिफिट मिलता है। सो थैंक यू।